He used to stay outside and keep horses. Like आप अभी फिल्म हॉल जाएंगे, जैसे हम अपना बाइक रखने के लिए जो लोग आते हैं ना, जो आपको टिकट देते हैं, he was like that during his time. So by seeing the drama and theatre regularly in his life, he developed his poetic capability and become a great dramatist in his life. And you know Shakespeare, who is Shakespeare. The next comes is, no, pardon? Is Franklin D. Roosevelt, the 32nd president of the United States. He was president during Second World War. What is his background? Pardon? No.
Able to walk by
He's on wheelchair.
Yeah.
He's on wheelchair.
He ruled the country.
He ruled on wheelchair.
He ruled the country in wheelchair.
Wheelchair.
That is the kind of
Yes.
rule the country. You might have seen one movie called Pearl Harbor. In that movie, you might have seen. He was ruling through wheelchair. And he is the only president who was elected 4 times in US. You can believe the kind of success he has. Now next, you know, President Abdul Kalam, our own president, you know what is his background.
Roosevelt.
Franklin D. Roosevelt is the 32nd president of the United States. Next is Abdul Kalam, you know what is his background. He was a newspaper vendor in Rameswaram railway station, and he rose to become president of the country. Then is, pardon? Who is he? Stephen Hawking. Stephen Hawking. You know, he's a great scientist, but he is unable to speak. He's speaking through computers. Big Bang theory he has invented. Next is Sudha Chandran. You know his background? Yeah, not handicapped. He lost his leg in an accident. He was a great dancer, but after losing his leg, he came back and he's dancing with his Jaipur foot. That's the kind of determination. Next is the Rajnikant, your Shivaji Gaikwad. First of all, he's a Maharashtrian, went to Bangalore, learned Kannada, became a conductor. Then his sudden dreams comes to become a film star. Then went to Tamil Nadu, learned Tamil, and become a superstar in Tamil industry. You can understand the kind of struggle, pain, and still he become not in Maharashtra but in Tamil Nadu, in a place where there is a conflict. So you can understand the kind of success he has. The next, pardon? Johnny Lever. Why I kept his photo here? He comes from a very poor family background. The reason is, in his early age, in his village, because of the ugly figure, ugly personality, people used to hate him. And he was feeling very inferiority complex. He has a very big inferiority complex during his childhood. What to do. So suddenly he realized, मेरा weakness अगर ऐसा है, मेरा face ऐसा है, तो ठीक है. With my face, I can make people laugh. So he used his weakness as a great strength to make people laugh. And using his weakness as a strength, and he made a big success. And that's why, he's a great comedian in Hindi film industry. He came from Andhra Pradesh. He came to Mumbai, learned Hindi, and success he has. The next is Jackie Chan, Why I kept his photo here? The thing is, he's a Chinese. He was kung fu specialist and he used to do all kinds of stunts. He's a real hero. In his movie, he never used any duplicate. He was a great star in Hong Kong film industry. But suddenly he realized, I want to be a superstar in Hollywood. So he went to Hollywood to become a Hollywood star. But suddenly, the moment he went to all the film studio or he met all the directors, he realized he doesn't know English. Because being Chinese is one of the weak areas. He doesn't know English. He has been humiliated by a lot of producers. You are only eligible for a stuntman. Because stunt doesn't need to speak right. He can be a good stuntman. But we are not eligible to become a film star. So it is a big insult to him. So he decided, he closed his room in his flat. For 1 year, he struggled and learned English and become a great Hollywood star. And that is visible through his achievement. So while these are all different personalities I kept in this slide, in spite of all the difficulties, they achieved success. First, be yourself, then accept yourself. Then, these are the basic foundation. Once you accept that, then the next level comes into next phase. The next is adaptable to change. Once you accept yourself, once you be yourself, once you are true to yourself, then you accept yourself, then you must realize, once you realize your weak areas, then how to improvise upon it. That's possible only when you are ready to change. A lot of times you might have seen that people, they don't like change. Right? They don't like change. Whatever happens, it's very difficult to change, right? But these leaders, the moment they realize their weakness, they are able to change themselves for better. So one should have a great quality to change your gears whenever necessary. That you must be very practical. In other words, what I mean to say is, one must be very practical to change themselves. The ability to smile. You should have a happy frame of mind. You should be able to smile whatever the circumstances around you. And that's possible through these two leaders. Whatever the provocative circumstances around you, whoever criticizing you, like I'm talking about the Manmohan Singh during this nuclear standoff time, parliament mein, everyone was criticizing him. L.K. Advani used to say, chakka hai, lot of things are said, right? But the way he maintained his calm and the way he coolly passed the bill, the moment he went to US in a dining, during the dinner time, George Bush is asking him, how do you handle so much criticism? What is the secret behind you? The President of US is asking him, how do you handle this? So many people are criticizing you, your own party peoples are opposing to pass this bill. How do you handle it? So that is the secret of the great leaders. The next comes, and you know about Rajiv Gandhi, so it's visible. Next comes the power of 5 E's. A leader should have these qualities. He must be enthusiastic. 5 E's is enthusiastic, energetic, equality, empathy, and equanimity. This 5 E's is very much essential, and through words is, I think you can easily understand what does it mean. Empathetic, what does it mean by empathy? The feeling for the other. While interacting, you must understand how your words, your thoughts affecting the other persons. If you are able to understand how the other person is feeling, so you can guess or you can change your behavior. Through your certain words, if you feel the other person is getting angry, the next moment, that only comes only when you have a very high EQ, emotional quotient. You will be able to understand the person is getting angry on me. It's better change your gear. So that comes if you have a good failure comes. Because ultimately the relationship, health problem, relationship problem, and finance problem is there, right? When your relationship is good, you know how to deal with people. The good feelings comes. When you have good feelings comes, the success comes. When you are able to deal with client well, right? People means what? He can be a good client, right? He can bring a good client to me. Whether in a company level or an individual level, he can bring